Alright, this well-detailed video will be taking you all through the process on how to get a 15k free funded account plus a 2500 free prop firm account. All these details are well explained in this video, and regarding the 2.5k account, I want you to take immediate action after watching this video before it runs out of claim. I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. This is Forex No Deposit Nation, and I'm glad you found this video. And this particular detailed instructional video will be showing you all how to access a 15k prop firm account, and not just a 15k account plus a 5k account and other prop firms account, all for free. And I'll be taking my time to break down the important aspects so that you all don't encounter any issue, right? And in case you encounter any issue, drop a comment and I'll be replying to you instantly, just to give you the direct and proper guidance on how to secure this account, right? And what you can see on the screen is my Telegram channel, where you'll be finding various other free funded accounts, various prop firm accounts, challenge accounts, all for free, including various other no deposit accounts. And not just that, you'll be finding a lot of money making updates which is going to be helpful to you in one way or the other, and all these details are available for free, right? Which is an invaluable information that you need to make good use of, right? And you'll be able to interact with other traders in my YouTube channel community and in my Telegram channel community also, right? Just to ask questions and let me know your opinion, right? And the link to also claim this particular free funded prop firm account will be made available in my Telegram channel and in the description of this particular video. So firstly, you need to pay close attention, as I'll be explaining the required details on how to go about the processes on how to secure this free funded 15k account, 5k account, and up to a 20k and 40k account. I would love you all to pay close attention. I'll be making the less important aspect very fast, and I'll be moving straight to the important aspect that pertains to this account, right? So firstly, you'll be filling in your first name, your last name, your email address, the country where you are residing, and then you'll be tapping on the sign up once you fill in all this registration information. And once all the details are filled in correctly, here you'll be told to sign in into this account. And before we move on, even though you are seeing this channel for the first time, make sure you give this video a like. Let's share this video to a lot of traders out there so that you all can stay updated and not miss out on various free funded accounts which I'm going to be dropping regularly on this channel, right? And once you sign in into this account using your email and your password, right, you'll be tapping on the menu button, the previously cycled menu button. You'll be tapping on it, and once you tap on it respectively, you'll be coming to the reward section, right? The particular cycled reward section. You'll be coming to this aspect, and a lot of you know that this kind of account is similar to other accounts which I've made a video on, right? And I would love you all to still pay attention, because I'm going to be explaining some important aspects which you might take for granted, but it's actually very important, right? It pertains to this account, so that you don't have a delayed response, and so that you can do this task as fast as possible, and so that you can secure an account and start trading in the financial market in 2026, right? So once you come to this reward section, under this tax section, right, you just have to keep on scrolling on the screen. The first tax, we can participate in the tax, and not all tax on this section will be able to participate in, right? We won't be able to participate in all tax, but the major tax that we are going to be participating in, I'll be showing you guys and I'll be drawing your attention towards it. And you can see the trusted prop, right? Leave a trusted prop review, and once you leave this review, you'll be getting about 55 points for this particular review. Just leave a good review about this particular firm, what you think and feel about this particular firm based on other people's review. You would know if this is the best firm, and based on your own personal reviews, right? And you could see prop firm match, vote for this particular firm on the Forex prop firm match, and after giving them a vote, you'll be getting 40 points. And one thing that I've always make mention of is that focus on the taxes which is going to be giving you enough sufficient points, like 100 point, 75 point, 85 point, 400 point, 300 point. And once you complete this high point tax, then you can evolve around the little taxes, right, of point. The taxes that give you less point, you can come back for it, so that you can first of all secure an account and then come back to perform the remaining tax to get more point. And once you tap on upload screenshot, right, you'll be taking a screenshot of the task which you performed. And once you come to your gallery, you'll be taking a screenshot, right, the screenshot which you've already screenshotted, you'll be uploading it on the upload section, which you can see me previously perform. And once you do this successfully, you will be inputting the link of this task which you perform. If you follow them on their Facebook account, make sure you copy your Facebook username, input it on this section which was cycled, right. You could see the app cycled section. You'll be inputting it on this section, although it is optional, but it will be better if you include it, right. As I previously stated that it is optional, but it is better you include it just to be on the safer side, and so that these details can be approved as fast as possible. I do get a comment from a lot of you guys stating that your account is taking 2 or 3 days. The task which you perform is taking 2 or 3 days before it gets verified. If you do it this right way, your details will be approved as fast as possible, and so that all these accounts can be fully claimed, right. All these points in particular can be fully claimed, and so that you can go straight to the next section and redeem these taxes, right. So once you subscribe to their YouTube channel, you'll be getting 15 points, right. You need to follow their official channels, take a screenshot, right. Once you take a screenshot of these details, follow the section which is showing the paste your proof, right. That is what you are going to be pasting. What you are going to be pasting on this proof section. For instance, if you follow them on their YouTube channel, make sure you copy your YouTube link, right, your YouTube account link. You'll be finding it under your profile. Once you copy it respectively, and then you include it under the optional section, and then for the additional information you can just add I've successfully followed you on YouTube. That is if you follow them on their YouTube channel, and if you follow them on their Telegram channel, on the additional details you can include I've successfully followed you on your Telegram channel. Just make it detailed, and if you repeat it this way, your account won't be taking a lot of time before it's going to be approved. Your tax won't be taking a lot of time rather before it's going to be approved, right. And you just have to repeat all these details. And as I told you guys that not all the tax on this section can be completed by you until you purchase an account. That's when you'll be able to complete some particular taxes, right. But to get a free funded account, you don't need to pay a single dime. All you have to do is follow this detailed instruction by completing text, like write a review on their X platform. You'll be getting amazing points, and you could see once you do all this and then you accumulate enough points, I'll be showing you all where to redeem this particular point, right, where you'll be able to redeem them for amazing prop firm account, right. As you could see, post payout certificate, you haven't gotten a payout, right, until you get a free funded account, trade with it, get a payout, then you'll be able to complete more other tasks, right. And you could see the taxes section showing on this interface, and you can see the reward section showing on the other hand on the right hand side, right. And on this reward interface, this is where you'll be finalizing all details once you complete the major taxes, right. And I'll be showing you the account that you're going to be getting from a 5k account, a 15k account, a 7.5k account, and other amazing account that you can get for free, all through the point which you've accumulated there. So once you get to this section, you just have to keep on scrolling until you get to the first account, which is the free 5k instant account. And you can see the free instant 5k account, and to claim this account you'll be needing about 950 points, right. Once you focus on the taxes, go for the higher taxes, you'll be able to get this account. And I'll be showing you all the account, right. I'll be taking you guys to other accounts that you can also claim, and with as little as 650 points you'll be able to get a real prop firm account. And I'll be showing you how it works in this explanation video, right, as we are moving on. Firstly, this is a free 5k account, and I've explained the details, and you can see this account is going to be available all through this year. That's to show you that there are no pressure under getting this account, but better still, you need to do it as fast as possible, right, before it runs out of claim, because we can't predict when this account is going to be unavailable for everyone, right. So immediately you watch this video, you do the particular task, S3 to go for this detailed instructional point, right, which you are going to be following all through just to redeem an account, right. And you can see this is the free 15k one step account, and to get this 15k one step account you'll be needing 1200 points, which I've already showed you all how to accumulate this point. And you could also see when it's going to be available till, right, until you could see the availability, right. And once you keep on scrolling, you'll be finding other account, both a 60k account, a 40k account, a 120k account, other account including a 7.5k account, right. You'll be finding them all on this particular section. And account like the 120k account, you can just leave it out of the space for now and go for account like the 7.5k account, the 15k account, and the 5k account. These account points are easy to get if you can put in the work, right, just to follow through on all these taxes, follow them on their social media accounts, which I've clearly stated, and the detailed tasks which you need to complete. Once you do all this, you'll be able to get, even if it's as little as a 5k account or a 15k account or down to a 7.5k account, right. You just have to follow all these detailed instructions which are well explained in this video. And once I get more information regarding this firm's account details and other updates regarding this free funded profile account, I'll be bringing it to you all in my Telegram community so that you guys can get a first-hand information of this kind of account, right. And on my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel, I'll be dropping latest no deposit account and free funded accounts to you all regularly, right, so that you guys can get funded and make the best out of this account in 2026, right. This is how you really need to know about this amazing prop firm account. And make sure you share this video to at least a trader out there. Let's take this video to more than 200 likes. We can do more than this. I hope you all have a lovely and profitable trading week. And now we'll be going through the detailed process on how to get access to the 2.5k account before this account runs out of claim. I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. This is Forex No Deposit Nation, where you get access to free funded account and no deposit account updates, including various money making updates. And this particular video will be showing you how to get a 2.5k account. And this account is a two-step account which is actually worth $40, and I'll be showing you all the process and taking you guys through the detailed instruction on how to get started and how to part of those that will be eligible to get this amazing account, all for free. And I would love you all to pay close attention as I explain the required details. And before we move on, what you can see on the screen is my Telegram channel, where I drop latest no deposit updates, money making update, free funded account, challenge account, and no deposit account for you to start trading the financial market in 2026, all for free. And a link will be available in the description of this particular video, and it will be made available in the pinned comment section for you to also join this Telegram channel so you can't miss out on this kind of amazing opportunities and account, right. And the link to also claim this 2.5k account will be made available in the description of this YouTube video and in my Telegram channel, so you can access and do the next necessary details through these links, right. And I would love you all to pay attention. All the details of which you might want to ask in the comment section will be answered in this video, right. So let's get started. Once you use the link and you locate this particular prop firm's interface, right, you can see the particular cycled 2.5k challenge account, right. And to actually get started on this detailed process, right, you'll be tapping on the start survey. And before we tap on the start survey, apart from the 2.5k account, you can also be part of those that stand a chance to get a share of the 20,000 grand prizes, right. But let's focus on the 2.5k account, right. So firstly, under this aspect, you'll be selecting the language of the particular country where you are residing so that it can be easy and so that you can easily go through the detailed survey, which I'm going to be taking you guys through the process And before we move on, if you know you are seeing this channel for the first time, make sure you give this video a like, drop a comment if you need my assistance in any way, and you'll be getting a fast response. And make sure you share this video to other traders out there so that they too can be a benefactor of this kind of amazing account, so that you can start trading in 2026. And moving on this aspect, right, once you tap on the start survey, you'll be brought to this interface where you'll be informed to input your email and basic information about your identity. But I'm going to be skipping this process so that the registration process can be fast as possible. I'm going to be explaining the important aspect of this survey so that you can participate and do these details easily, so that you too can be eligible to get this 2.5k account. For every participant who do this survey correctly, they will be getting a 2.5k account, and I would love you all to get this account. And that's why I need you all to focus and pay close attention to this detailed instruction, right? And you can see what instrument do you mainly trade. You can select the forex, the gold, the oil, whichever one you are trading. Now you can see which trading platform do you currently use. You can select the MT4, the MT5, and the trading view, right? And you can just restrict it to the MT5 and the MT4 only, right? And you can see more details about other aspect, which is about which other prop firm do you currently trade with, right? And the prop firm that I currently trade with is the size prop and the way master trades. And you can also see the details which I'm having on the screen, which is how did you first hear about Finalizing, right? You are probably watching this video on YouTube, right? So you are going to be selecting YouTube, and if you are watching it on other forms through the channel page or other means, you can put it in that aspect, right? And moving on, you just have to make sure you are inputting the respective details, and any information which sounds unclear to you, you are going to be finding the option whereby you can select neutral. You can either make use of the neutral or the maybe option, right, to be on the safer side. And you could see what I'm having on the screen, which is what could Finalizing change that would make you more likely to purchase an account. And you can just input payout transparency, right? Just make it very short so you can move on to the next detail. As I explained to you that any part of this survey that is unclear to you, that feels unclear, you can just tap on the third emoji showing on the screen, right? Just to be on the safer side, just keep on tapping on neutral on any aspect that feels unclear, right? And as you could see, how clear was the sign up process, you can just tap on neutral, or if you found it very okay, you can tap on other excitement and other emoji part of this particular survey. And one thing that I want you all to know is that if you are going to be going through these processes without this detailed video, you might be spending up to 40 to 1 hour on this particular survey, filling out all these details, and eventually you might get it all wrong. And if you pay attention to this concise detailed video, right, you can complete all these detailed survey in less than 10 to 15 minutes at most. That's the maximum, right? And so I would be needing your attention on the aspects which I need proper clarification and proper explanation as we move on concerning these surveys, right? And once we get to aspect like this, you could see how clear were you following account areas, right? As I previously highlighted, that make sure you leave it on the neutral aspect. And why do I keep on laying emphasis on leaving most of the questions which you don't understand on the neutral aspect? Because you don't have a proper understanding of this particular firm yet. You haven't purchased a firm, and after completing this survey and you are eligible, which are going to be eligible after watching this concise detailed video, right? Once you get an account, then if any other survey comes up, then you'll be able to fill it up properly. But for now, if you get to aspect that you don't understand, it's either you tap on maybe or I am not sure, just to be on the safer side. And you can see what information should be added to the account comparison or checkout page, right? And you can see what I'm filling up on the screen, right? They can just add up the discount, and you too can easily replicate this. The discount or the coupon code can be made available for that particular aspect. And you can see how easy was the KYC process. You can just leave it on the neutral because you haven't completed a KYC yet. And you can see, did KYC affect your trust in Finalizing? You can just leave it on maybe or I haven't gone through this process yet. As I clearly explained, all these are just a major prevention so that you can be on the safer side, and at the end of the day you can be eligible to get the 2.5k account. I would love you all to get this account. That's why I'm laying emphasis on all these details, right? And once you come to aspect like this, just make sure you tap on the neutral, and if you can answer the questions successfully and you know it doesn't contradict their rule, because most of the questions which are going to be founding on aspect like this are pertaining to those who have been able to purchase an account and you haven't purchased an account yet, so it's best to leave them on neutral. And moving on, I would just love you all to pay close attention as I answer other questions, right? If you log breach, reset, or add a payout, you can see what I selected for that aspect and what could Finnotive support improve on, right? You can just put in response time, right? They can improve on that particular aspect. Once we fill it up, and then move on to the next stage. And I would like to highlight something very important so that you all don't forfeit or make this particular mistake while filling up this option. Make sure you attempt all these questions. Make sure you attempt them all. Without attempting all these questions, you might not be eligible to get this 2.5k account. And I want you all to understand all this. Without attempting all these questions, you might not be eligible to get this particular account. And to be on the safer side, make sure you answer all these questions with a particular question. Even if you don't understand it clearly, you can come back to this video, rewatch it so that you can understand that part of that survey, right? So that you better understand the particular option that you're going to be selecting. Now you could see, have trading condition ever made you decide not to buy or continue with Finnotive, right? What you're going to be selecting is maybe or I am not sure, because you haven't gotten any account from them, and this is going to be a free account once you pass this particular survey showing on the screen. And to actually go through this process, you just have to pay close attention to the previously explained details, right? Once you follow these details, you are going to be on the safer side and you would have an edge over those who skipped a lot of part of this video, right? And once all these questions are answered, right, you don't need to be sure if these questions are answered correctly. All they need is to attempt this survey, right? And attempting it the right way is also important, and that's why a video is made available to guide you all on the right way. And you could see which descriptions feel most accurately, right? You're going to be selecting the aspect of which you can also replicate what I select in this video in particular, right? I'll be making all this very fast just to sum it up so that you can head straight to fulfill this task, and so that you guys can be eligible once this account fully drops, right? Once it drops for everyone, so that you are going to be part of those that would also be getting this 2.5k account. And regarding this account information, I'm going to be clarifying more details about this particular account in my Telegram channel, and that's why you also need to join my Telegram channel so that you can stay updated and not miss out on the important information which I'm going to be dropping in my Telegram channel regarding those who have taken the survey, completed it successfully, and have been shown a kind of message which shown the survey have been approved successfully. And once you are starting the survey out from the beginning, make sure you input a valid email, your valid email account, just to be on the safer side, and make sure you include your real identity, your real information, because any falsification might result in account being declined, right? And I won't want that for you all, right? And that's why I need you all to do this the right way. Once the survey is completed, right, you can see the kind of message which you are going to be having. You are going to be having this kind of message, and you could see verification under review, right? And the free 2.5k challenge account, eligible participant would receive a free 2.5k account, which is a two-step account, right? And once you follow all the detailed instructions and you receive the kind of message which I'm having on this their interface, the previous shown interface, right? And as I've previously laid emphasis on it, that make sure you didn't skip any question, right? Make sure you answer all the questions of the survey. Without answering all these questions, you might not be eligible to get this account. That's why I'm laying emphasis on it. This is how you really need to know about getting this amazing 2.5k account. And make sure you share this video to other traders out there. Like this video. Let's take this video to more than 200 likes. I hope you all have a lovely and profitable trading week ahead.